Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 10 trades. Today's date is December the 28th and I am using my new Easy Scalper trading system. This system uses two excellent scalping indicators. First one is the Easy Scalper, that's this moving average that changes colors, and of course then there are the arrows. They're called the super signal indicator. When you get an alert, you'll get an audio sound and you'll get a pop-up box. Just like you see right here, this pop-up box suggesting either to buy or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, thereabouts, I'm in front of the computer getting ready to trade the New York session, and the London is overlapping it. So this is London, this is Asian back here, and this is New York. Like I said, 6 o'clock, looking at all the different instruments and taking a look at my daily trade plan. And of course, if traders or mentors are telling you not to trade during bank holidays or any kind of holidays, well, I guess it's just because they don't know how to trade. I'm here telling you and showing you, if the market is open, you can trade every day. And here is my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It is running in real time. Drilling down the lights from, that's what my mentor used to call it, drilling down the lights from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. So in theory, you don't have to go any higher than either the 15 minutes. You can trade 1 minute, 5 minutes, or the 15 minutes, and this will tell you whether you should be buying and or selling, especially in the comments here. Either bullish, bearish, and some of them are even preferred. There's a lot of movement today on this holiday. My mentor told me the reason why 95% of the traders are failing is because traders are trading without any kind of a daily trade plan. And after many daily trade plans, this is the best one I came across. If you have any questions or if you want to buy, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Remember, you should be thinking like you are learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. When you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you have only about a 5% chance of succeeding. After you buy from me, I will tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. If you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So now we can take a look at these trades. First one I took, Euro Yen. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. According to all my rules that I teach within the training videos, everything lined up perfectly for selling. So that's exactly what I did. Pull the trigger at this cursor and I close it out here, just being happy with, looks like 10 pips. And those pips paid out $71. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Here we go. Followed all the rules in my trading system. Plenty of things here telling me to short it. Should have got in back here, but this is where I saw it and I knew I was going to get some. And of course, should have closed it out down here, but it's hard to monitor 5 to 15 trades at a time. Plus there's always distractions around the home. So I pulled the trigger here and I closed it out here, just being happy. Looks like with 11 pips. And those pips paid out $83. Moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Let's see where I got in. First of all, I wanted to be selling it. There's that white arrow coming directly from my daily trade plan. Super signal, scalper, plenty of things telling me it's going to go down with about a 95% certainty. Don't you just wish when you pull the trigger you're 95% sure you got a winner? Well, you keep at this and you get enough education, you will eventually get to that point like I did. Looks like I locked in 10 pips here, and those pips paid out $83. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Aussie. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Looks like when I pulled the trigger, it did qualify for a great way to trade. Took the trade at this cursor. I knew it was going to do another cycle. I knew that, but that's okay. I didn't worry about it. Closed out the trade here being happy with 16 pips, and those pips paid out $109. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Gold pays $10 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up. Did one more cycle down, bouncing off of support. I knew eventually it was going to go up. So looking at the money, this should be 17.8 as it pays $10 for each tick. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show you, but it's 17.8. Let's just go with 17. And that paid out $178. Okay, moving on to the next trade, Euro New Zealand. By the way, you can trade using my easy scalper. Anything that your broker offers you, as long as you can get it onto the platform, into the market watch, it's tradable. So on this trade, the Euro New Zealand, another one, let's run a check on it. Scalper, daily trade plan, super signal. Everything down at the bottom is perfect for shorting. So let's see, got in at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy with, looks like 34 pips. And those 34 pips paid out $222. Okay, moving on to pound New Zealand. Let's run a check on that. Another one I wanted to be selling it. Scalper, super signal. Everything is perfect for shorting. Let's see where I got in at. After this little bit of a pullback, I decided to take the trade. If I was still in the trade, I'd be up around 76. But I was happy with, looks like 39. And those pips paid out $247. Moving on to the next trade, which is the EURCAD. Back it up a little bit. Here it is right here, EURCAD. Let's see where I got in at. I knew it was going to go down. Lots of red arrows. Scalper. Everything's perfect for shorting. Should have got out near the bottom with about 70. But I was happy again. Looks like with 39 pips. And those pips paid out $295. And for you, either new traders or traders who love to trade using Fibonacci, I have an excellent fib tool here that's available. All I got to do is click on this tab right here, go to swing high to swing low. There it is right there. Looks like it came back to, there's entry 1, 2, 3, and 4. Looks like it hit, it's kind of hard to see, but for sure, 50%. And usually, like about at least 95, or let's go with 90% of the time, it'll hit at least 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this particular day, it hit all the way to 10 and more. Don't you just love Fibonacci? And the reason why Fibonacci works is because millions of traders around the world are using it. Have an excellent course called the Fib Master. Full course, complete with 30 training videos. If you're interested, just get in contact with me. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the pound Swiss. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Okay, got in at this cursor. Everything screaming. Daily trade plan, super signal, qualified for a great way to trade. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy with about 26 pips, and those pips paid out $311. Here's another good example for the Fibonacci. It's just easy to do. Swing high, swing low. There's your pullback, entry 1 right here. Could have got in anywhere on these 4 or 5 candles, and it usually, most of the time, will hit either 2, 3, 4, 5 or more. And it goes all the way to 10. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. Let's see where I got in first of all. So I wanted to be selling it according to the daily trade plan. That's exactly what I did. Sold it there. And, well, it does pay $20 for each tick. So that 800 and something divided by 2 or 20. It's 40, 41 point something. Well, 41 exactly. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits. And those ticks paid out $820. So another great day of trading on this holidays. And love trading holidays. There's usually, most of the time, lots of volume. Anyhow, I knew it was going to be well over 200. Today's grand total came to 243 pips and ticks, and those pips and ticks paid out $2,422. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis like my Easy Scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. And now if you have any questions or if you want to buy, quite simple. All you got to do is look right below this video. In the description, you'll see a banner and the word more. All you got to do is click on it. It'll open up a window with a lot of information and all my contact information. There's even a link for us to be connected through Skype. And through Skype, not only will I give you a free Skype call, but I'll answer your questions. Also in the description, you'll see 4 different packages. I recommend you getting at least 3 of them. I do charge $250 for each package. And of course, if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. Remember, over the course of the next bunch of years, remember, you have to think like to becoming a doctor or lawyer, which takes minimum 7 years. If you start thinking like that, you must think that you're going to have to get a lot of education. Without education and support, I do give support, remember that. Without support and education, you will fail. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.